Hello everyone, here Owee. Well, today we talk about Deepin. Remember, in the last video, I said one document about how install Deepin. Yes, we have that video about the install Deepin. But now, when you finish from install to Deepin, is the desktop in the first time is like that, but it's coming with some presentation. I will come here. Deepin. Oh, it's not here. I forget. I think that. Yes, it's like this is coming one presentation, but for now it is okay. Let's go to check my Deepin and what's the version, because I'm reinstall my computer for this new Deepin. I fixed some problems with my another Deepin, because the problem was the sound is not good and other things too. But when I reinstall, I update, no upgrade, and update is working now. That is better. Okay, let's go. Here is the control center, but if you see, this is the bar or the menu is very different, but you can change. But the first, let's go to the control center. Okay, here I will open. If you see, we have the account, the Deepin ID, display you desktop, the Windows application default. This is about the designs, how it is designed you desktop or you Deepin. I will enter here. You can change. It's dark and light. You change for dark is different, and you see this part, the menu is changed too. You can choose other color like this, like light is changed. Okay, for now I will back to the same. Yes, it's very strong, the light, but all the time I change to dark. I work with the dark because it's better for my eyes. For now, this is the Deepin. We have the designs, the color, the things. Then my network notification. You can enable some notification or not. If you come in here, I click. I have these programs here. I can enable the notification other thing, but for now is not enabled, because all the times I receive about maybe Zoom and other things too, some notification is plop plop plop, say the notification, the sound. I don't like that. Is turn off now. About the sound, we have the control, the speakers, and sometimes we have the control about the microphone. I'm talking now, you see, that's it. Other things too, we have the advanced here, the speakers and the internal microphone I use from my computer. Sound effects is every sound effect when for now is not enabled, but it's coming with enable. But when you start the session in Linux and in Deepin, is coming one sound. When you close anything, is coming one sound. When you turn off your computer, is the same. I don't like that. I like it. No sound is better for me. Okay, we have the Bluetooth, the date and time, the power. The power is very interesting too. You can see when set the power, when you can configure all this in the plugin, when the battery, how is the battery, when there's suspend your monitor, other things. And the mouse, well, I'm left, but for now all the computer is coming like that. That is the default. But for this review, I changed for the default because I'm all the time I use like that. Yes, but for now, for this, okay. Here for test the mouse about that, double click is coming the mouse. Not the mouse, the cat. Here the pointer, how you can see in the touch, other thing in the scroll too. I have my touchpad, it's like that. About the keyboard, okay, keyboard, I have how is the behavior about the keyboard. Here I have my live keyboard too. If you remember my last video, I talk about different keyboard. Here I have English, Persian, Chinese, Finnish, Russian. Oh, I forget. Here I have my French, but don't worry, I will install next in my keyboard. But how you can install your keyboard? You come in here and you can click here. You write French. It's like that. I click here. I will add. Is this? It's like that. It's working. In your system, if you see, for now my system is in English. I change sometimes in Somi and Persian. Oh no, okay, I change in Persian. Okay, you can change to Francais and Chinese and Russian. You can choose anything too. But now I choose the Farsi. All my computer is back to the Farsi. I have some shortcut in here, no problem. Is how it's open a terminal. If you learn about the shortcut, it's easy for you. All the time I use my keyboard, the shortcut for open different programs and other things. Because, for example, a screenshot, you can use that all the time. It's very useful. Yes, you can add another two, no problem about that. About the update, well, you can check all the time the update. You come here if you clear some things and download update or other things. Okay, about my computer is this is Deepin. I have is Deepin community. I have the 64 bits. Okay, this is my kernel, 5.7. Okay, and that's it, my computer. The edition is, this is the edition, the license from Deepin. In general Linux is here. In general settings, you come here is from my group. When I start my computer, is coming for the first of the group. In the group, if you have another system, another operating system, you can choose. If, for example, I have here alone Deepin. If I had Windows, you can see in here, and you can choose what system you can work. Sometimes I work with 3 Linux and Windows, but for now it's better for me Deepin. Okay, that's for now. You can use some external program too. Okay, that is the control center. Okay, I will close. Here I click the help. This is a help, the system. I will click here. I will write help or manual here. If you open, is coming this here about the desktop. The album is all the instruction about that. All the instruction you can use, for example, the App Store. here how you can work with App Store interface, other things. If you get something for games, other then you can come here. Here coming for change the names and other things too, in special for App Store. Okay, you can see other things too if you like it. Yes. Other things. Well, if you see here my bar, I have I install code for programming. I mean, I have my browser. I like a lot Yandex. Yandex is better for me. Yes, I'm used Firefox, but if you see, Yandex is coming from the top, but in Firefox is you have one bar in the top is coming the tabs in other sides label in before the top. So I don't like that. Is the space is what's the space? I don't like the what's the space. So okay, yes, if you come in here in deepin.org, you come in and download. But it's better for you download for BitTorrent. Yes, if you don't know how about the install, I can put here another video, the last video, for you can check. Okay, let's go to continue the review. Oh, it's changed. Okay, need to remember that the Deepin use to desktop. If you come here, it shows us the desktop. I have okay, I click here. Oh, it shows the desktop. I show the desktop. I come here. Okay, if you see, I have all my program here is open. I can add another. I can come here. That is one desktop and this is another desktop. It's come here is changed. You remember the background is different. If I come here, it's different too. It's changed my another desktop. So that is a difference. Okay. Let's go to see to App Store. In the App Store, like in the manual, you can install all different applications, different programs. But I have some problems in special for the games. But you can install other games, but I want to install the Steam. Steam for now is done. I'm not sure if you're trying about this Steam. You can install, but for me is that not work because I think for the kernel. I'm not sure. I read some feedback, some forums about that. I think in special for the kernel. Yes, I have my 64 bits, but another 32 bits. That is different. So I think that is the problem for me in special for the Steam. And another problem too is all the time is update and upgrade. Well, I like this. I like Majo. I have here my Majo is all the time playing. I like that. That's good. Okay, this is my hobby. Okay, let's go to here. Yes, you can choose here some applications, some programs, and games. In especially if you like the games. Depends. If you like special games, you can install like Steam, or you can install other games like Minecraft or other. But if you have child, you can use this about the tux typing. Tux typing is better, like this games and other. Yes, I like a lot that. It's good. The games is interesting and good. All the time I play the war. Yeah, Gcamp is better. This Tux Mat for the kids is better. All the times I install this program for one orphans is all the time play that with who is better in math in different level. So it's very interesting. Yes, you can have one, how to say, competition. Yes, one weekend you can make every competition. I have competition every weekend when I work with orphans, like an NGO. Okay, other things too, you can have here different games. Other about the Office. Yes, a lot of people talk me about the Office. I'm use this only Office desktop. This is better. I like it. That is very different. But you can use some maker. Office is like Windows Office, Microsoft Windows. Yes, but I have LibreOffice in my computer. I have LibreOffice and this program too. Yes, if you like other things for make easy you Office is here. You can choice. But if you see, I have my Goblin. These programs is very well for me because it's like a note. You can. I will open this. Yes, it's open. Yes, I hear some things about the talk. You coming new. Here I will talk the Linux. Exchange here Linux, but you can create some notes. Note is like a Deepin. In this you can talk about all the things about the Deepin. You can add files, all the things if you like it sometimes. Yeah, it's good. It's good for me. It's helping for me. I installed in my last computer. Not in my last. In my last Linux is Deepin 2, and I have this all the time. But for now, I'm installing a game. Okay. Yes, if you are a developer, you can use different programs like Visual Studio Code, Android. About a database, you can design database with MySQL Workbench and other language too, like IDs too, like Atoms. Wow, here WordPress. That's good. I think I'm not sure. I will try next time about the WordPress. Yes, you can choose different IDs, programs here and install to your computer. If you like Python, it's better. If you like Go, Rust, but you can install. That's better for you. Okay, that is a developer, Office, and games. And about graphic, if you are a graphic design, remember you don't have here about the Adobe design, but you can choose other things better, like a GIMP, a Krita, Inkscape. That is my three favorite program because it's better. Is you can make some designs from zero. Other things too. You can. For me that is better. I use all the time. But if you want make maybe some designs like graphic designs, that is better, I think. Other things too. For example, this 50 thing is different. It's for PCB designs. It's for about electronic designs. Here we have the Mad modes, other programs. KitKat is better for designs, electronic designs. Or yes, you can choose different sites here, and you can install. About the video, you can here VLC. I use OpenShoot and sometimes I use Catalan. Well, katsaus is very good. For now I use katsaus. Yes, if you are a broadcaster, you can use this Open Broadcaster. Yes, this program is better for make you videos too. About the music, music is depends what you like make. Here the player, here the player 2. Audacity is one program for make some sound. Outdoor is better too. Rose Garden is too better too for make that sound. Yes, you can try to install and you can try to test everyone you make in your business. About the chat, in chat for me is better Telegram. Use Telegram. Well, I have my WeChat. Some programs. Maybe you can install Discord because here we have Discord. Yeah, if you like another program, you can try. Yes, you can test about that. About the internet. Yes, remember I use Yandex. For now it's better. I am used to Opera, Yandex. Yes, that is for me. Yes, if you like another browser, you can install. You can test other. Yes, that is for now for the App Store. If you like to change them, you come here. Is say light, dark. But I only want to change the App Store. Okay. Well, about the desktop, how you can change the desktop? You can click here in any place. You can click for the right in the mouse or in your computer. You can here check the new folder, new document. In new document you can find this about the presentation. Change short by about if you have some icons in your desktop. Yes, you can open the terminal, display settings, and wallpaper and screen. Well, let's go to wallpaper and screen. If you see, I have my screen here about my wallpaper, but we can change. We have some default here from Deepin. Yes, I will choose some things. I think I'll choose that. Okay, here you can choose is only desktop or only for your lock screen. When your computer is locked, is show that this picture. But for now, but if you want about the screensaver is different. You can. I have never, but you can come in 50 minutes. You can change something here. Yes, this is some of the screensaver. The word, oh, the word is interesting. Yeah, but for now, for me, no. Okay, only the stop is difference is changed. Well, I will click here in the launcher. If you see, we have this button is when I click here is changed. Is 4 sections. If I went along the chat, the music, the picture, or about the video, you hear the picture, the games, presentation, and the programs, all that and still you can make that. If you don't like this design, you can change. Click here, is different. It's like a Windows 7 or Windows 10 and other Windows, but it's very different. It's like a Linux Mint too. Linux Mint is the same too. It's better. If you want to click in anything, you can find some programs. If you want to search here some games, it is coming hardware or the program you can find, but for me it's better like that. Okay, yes, other things too is here in this site you can find about the keyword. If you want to change the keyword, you click here. For example, I have the Persian and English, Chinese, Finnish, Russian, French. For example, I will write a Persian here. Okay, I need to one text. Here I will type in. Okay, remember is different. I'm not sure it's right. Okay, I will remember. I think this is okay. Oh no, that's it. That's it. I think. Here you see. Okay. I will back to my English. Other things is my control of the volume, my network, my battery. Yes, if you see this button, you can hide and you can open. You can hide. Here about the notification, I have a lot of notification. You can see. If you want to see your keyboard, you come in, click here. You can see the keyword. This keyword in English, but you can change in other language. Now, for example, we change for Persian is change. That's the better for understand other language too. Okay, I will click here. Yes, I think that is all about the. Oh, okay. I don't open my file manager. That's it. This is a file manager. You can have this design. Yes, you know this design is you can open here. About this, we have the version is 5.2 Deepin file manager. That's it. It's working. You can change the sizes. You can move that like that in this. But if you want here different, if you want click here, it's very different too. For example, I will come in for document. I think. For example, I'll click here. Is coming some other, for example, here difference too. Yes, some download here. I have some download, some videos, some pictures. Yes, document. You have a lot. You can choose and other too. Here we have the search. If you want to search something, documents for example, ni hao. I click is you can find. Okay. Alright, that is the review of the Deepin. I hope you like it and you can enjoy. Well, don't remember that is you open your control center, you come in, you update all the time. But if no work, sometimes I don't know, it has some problem. You can come in here for yes, the terminal. The terminal you can enter like a sudo apt update. It's coming, is update. You can enter with your password and that is working. Yes, it's working, and that is better. Is coming. Yes, but here show you need to upgrade something. Okay, you come here. You can change upgrade. But if have some problems about that, you can like say it's like a list, I think, list like that, but no problem. You need if you fix something, you need again to update, and when you finish the update again you need to upgrade. Great, that's better. For me it's better. Okay, if you liked this video, give me a like, subscribe to my channel. Yes, that is Deepin 20. Well, enjoy. Here I will enjoy with my game, where I'm start here. See you.